Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to make Chrome a default browser in Android. It's very easy tutorial. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on here, open my phone settings. Then on getting to your phone setting, next thing you need to do is to make use of search right here. And what you need to do is to simply type in default. So having typed in default, it's going to give you different results of default. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on default browser app. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply select Chrome and you are done. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to make Chrome browser a default browser on Android. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.